Hello everybody. My name is Anthony Eraser. We're going to show you the Mach 5. Besides of this color, there's some M's on it. Besides there's the 5 is on the sides of the doors. Then the sides of this. On the sides of this, there's this. This thing is so cool. The sides of this thing is so really connectable. And then the sides of that's a blower thing. The sides, it's pipes. The sides of the engine is so cool. Yeah, it's so cool. Besides, there's a little pedal thing right there. It looks like a booster. It is a booster. The pipes on it and everything. It's like this. This is how the missiles shoot out. These are saw blades of missiles. Besides, then these are so. You shoot this thing for the missiles shoot. Push that thing for the missiles to come out. And look, these are saw blades of missiles. Besides of this, they could go on the wheels. Pretend they're wheels. But I lost the wheel of instead I lost a missile. Besides, these are so cool colors on the Mach 5. Besides of this, this is the lights, and there's another lights. These are lights too in the front. Sides of this is so cool. There's lights right. There's things over there of a mirror. These are the mirrors and sides. And here's the sides from the Speed Racer Man. It comes with a helmet. And look, on the helmet there's an M on it and everything. Sides of this, it can come on or off. Look, the lights can move, and look, the legs can move like this. Pretend he's sitting on the car or going somewhere. They could drive it. Could go Corolla. Besides. There's another thing right here. If you could buy another toy of this. You could guess where this toy could come. Guess where this toy comes from. There, I'm done.